Hi guys, we are meeting for the first time, I guess online, but can't help it. So my name is Rotushwini and I'm from West Bengal. So where are you guys from?
Hey Vinny, so I am from Karnataka actually. So I am from South India. My name is Suhas Haidur, by the way. So I graduated way back in 14, guys. Okay, so what about you, Wasif?
Yeah, so I am from Patna, and even I stayed in Bangalore. Like from the past 8 years, I'm in Bangalore, bro. What about Hari, bro? Which place are you from?
I'm Hariyar and I'm from Chennai. I was born in Mailadurai and moved to Chennai for my schooling. I did my engineering and it is in Tanjavur, which is down south. I completed my engineering in 2017 and I have some experience in manufacturing and a little bit business experience.
Ali, you tell me from where you are.
Hi all, my name is Mithali Singh and I am from Delhi. I'm a mechanical engineer by choice.
Okay.
What about Ankit?
Hi guys, myself Ankit Singhvi. I am from Delhi, born in Jodhpur but brought up in Delhi only, and I have done electrical and electronics engineering and passed out way back in 2014. Engineer by education and sales professional by choice.
Oh, acha. Okay, so it's
Okay,
really
that's
nice to
great.
meet all
It's
you
just
guys.
sad that we have to meet like this for the first time after the group is formed. But anyway, we have got the first assignment for today only, right?
Yeah.
Yeah,
First marketing
yeah.
assignment, yeah, as a team.
Okay, so we'll do one thing. We'll assemble it for the assignment later in the evening today then.
Yeah,
Yeah,
sure.
sure.
So all you guys
Okay,
just
sure.
be free in the evening. So let's do the marketing assignment today.
Right.
Okay, guys.
Okay, then
Chalo,
meet in
bye
the
then.
evening.
Meet
Okay,
you
Yeah,
bye.
soon.
See you again.
yeah.
Bye.
Chalo guys, see you soon. We are going to start with the marketing assignment, right? So I was doing the Nestle case, guys. So also Cadbury case was left. So I had a lot of
Isn't that
numbers to do.
plus isn't that much of theory?
But
Why have you started with that?
it is easier. I
Like
mean,
We
important
have
part.
calculations over there,
Theory
right?
also needs a point, right? We can just sit and just do calculations. We have to
Ah,
write it down as well.
but then
we also have other assignments, dude. So we can't stick around in this.
No, I think that B2B and B2C marketing is more.
Vinny, that's not important. Vinny, that's not important. We can do
That
that.
is given in the. It's given in the case, right? That it takes.
Vinny,
taken in
this is
the-
not right, man. See, that doesn't take time. Okay, so we know because we have some experience. We know that is not very important and doesn't.
but
Yeah,
Harry,
it will not
So
take much
we can do that
time.
later.
Harry, but
It will
even we need
not
to
take
do
much
other
time.
assignments as well. But even that is important, right? So let's see,
That
man.
is also important.
Yeah.
But then see, we have a lot of work to do. We'll prioritize it.
Hari,
That first will.
But Harry,
हम आपसे better उम्मीद किए थे.
B2B was more
Ankit,
important and
Ankit, have
B2C
you
was
read the
more
case?
important.
Wait. Have you read the case?
Okay. Guys. Hari, Suhas, Vasif, Vinny, calm down, relax. This is not how we'll get onto a solution. We need to listen to everybody, please.
Bola
Okay?
solution.
We're listening now. Chalo.
Are you guys wondering what happened to our project? Well, we managed to finish it somehow. Did you guys see, even after I said listen, people were hardly listening to me? What do I tell you about my group? But someone was really hurt. Wondering who? Come, let's figure out what happens next. Who is hurt and how that person manages to teach us something very important about group dynamics.
Vasif, you again called for a meeting. Is there something wrong? We just finished the assignment, right?
Yeah, assignment is done, but I just realized that all of a sudden you stopped speaking. You were giving your points. So is it like Hari was trying to cut your points? Do you have any issues? Like, huh?
No, I don't have any issues as such, but I just felt that I don't have the freedom to speak in a group.
Yeah, I think that came out a little maybe rude. I guess and I didn't come out right.
Yeah.
So basically, what I felt is we were like time is a premium, so I didn't want to waste time on too much time on that particular assignment. You
Like you
felt bad
intention.
about it. it was not my intention to like hurt you or not listen to you.
I think it's sorted now, right?
Yeah. It's
Sorted
just
now?
that
Yeah, I don't.
in a group we all
Chalo,
should
chalo.
have the freedom to speak.
Yeah.
So I don't have anything against anyone. So it was purely a profession. So
Cool,
don't
Hari, it's okay.
take it to your heart.
Hello. Fine,
Yeah.
Hari. Bye, guys. Then are we
Chalo,
done
ठीक
then?
है.
Okay. Bye.
Okay.
Bye, guys.
चलो. Bye.
Take care. Yeah.
Bye. Bye. चलो. करो.
So, guys,
फिर
how
मत
has been your day? And also, Mitali, Hari, and I are coincidence. I mean,
अरे
color
यार, you should
coordinate.
have told us ना. हम लोग भी पहन के
Yeah,
आते
we would also worn, na. See.
Yeah, even.
For that you have to check the group, guys.
Arey,
अरे यार,
But
you're
I
always
had
checking that
gone
ना.
to the gym.
You're not there, bro.
Obviously, I could not actually.
Guys, I think our marks are out. Just check. No, Ankit, please check and tell how much did we get.
We have not got the least, so we are above average. Don't worry.
Arey, that is still very less, yaar. Every mark counts. I mean, we really require it to
Come on,
make a
there will
minimum
be lot of
CGPA at least, yaar.
Guys,
Other five-
marks as it is means nothing, man. So don't
Arey,
worry.
without 5.2 CGPA, I can't even sit for placements, yaar. Try to understand. I need,
अरे
We
don't
need
worry about
marks, right? We
CGPA
need
and all.
marks.
yeah.
3 days into the
Did
college.
all
we
the
are talking about
calculations,
placement.
right? You were so confident about the calculations. What went
Yeah,
wrong
it
there?
was. See, so okay, so see,
No,
yours was the
Hari, you
simplest
did
part to
calculation.
write. Just listen. Yours was the simplest. Just write some random guessing. My
It was
calculation.
a random
No, no,
guessing,
no,
Hari.
no,
We
nothing like
didn't
that.
Don't do
write.
that.
Please.
We wrote
I mean,
proper points.
it was completely out of context. I told you it was not required, and Vasif, I mean, Suhas wrote for pages and pages together.
It
I
was
mean,
important. I had to give a context. I had to give a
you
context.
know why?
Okay, see,
No, but
I didn't- I
Suhan,
didn't
the
volunteer.
context was you cannot gas around. Okay, you
The
need to
reason-
stick to specific topics. Okay.
Arey, but I
And-
had to
and
wait
mind it-
ahead of
Arey.
it,
And
right?
guys, mind it, I didn't volunteer. Okay, so you guys asked whether you need some help with it. We didn't do it on
But you
purpose.
But then
but
the
you checked your
mistake-
calculation, right?
Yeah, but then the mistake has happened, right?
So
Now-
there was nothing wrong with the calculation. Okay, so even I
How
can
do
write.
you know
But-
nothing
come
wrong
on,
with the
come on.
calculation?
Vasif,
It
But
had the
what if?
majority
But
of
no,
marks.
but listen to me. But what if Hari was not even there for the calculations? What we would have submitted then?
and
Exactly
yes,
my
to,
point.
Yeah.
to
yeah.
err is too human. Why are
Yeah,
you making a
fine.
big fuss out of it? I don't know.
Are we running a charity here? What's your point, man?
Yeah, fine.
So, guys, firstly, we did not have a proper communication, and there's no point just starting blaming each other. Even I was doing that, but it is wrong. Firstly, there was no proper, anyone did not take
I
a
don't want to
leadership
conflict
in a
that. See,
group.
that everyone should cooperate, right? It's not like a one
Of course,
direction.
yes. Of course, yes.
Yeah,
So,
everyone
we
should
all,
cooperate. Yeah, you should
Yes.
understand.
Glad
Let
that
us
you
listen.
realize.
Listen,
so
na.
firstly, when Suhas
Ankit,
texted,
could you complete your sentence? Because see, whatever you're talking, it's not a complete sentence. Like you're just putting bits of information.
Guys.
I'm
Not
saying
able to
glad,
articulate it.
glad
something.
she realized.
guys, I'm speaking. Please listen to me first.
Hmm.
Firstly, when Suhas texted, we did not reply. We took it casually, and there was a clear missing of leadership in our group. We just kept on speaking. No one listened, right? When we did a group thinking properly, we just cut each other points. That is not how a group works, guys. I understand we have just met. We are just a new group, and it's difficult to work in a group like this without even meeting each other. But for that, to eliminate that gap, we need to have proper communication, at least like proper understanding of each other and to know each other's strengths. See, we all have different personalities, and in a group it will reflect, but still for greater collaboration and improve results, we need to take care of these things next time, so that we can work properly in a group and utilize each other's potential to the best, so that next time we don't just keep shouting at each other like this.
Okay,
Cool,
sure.
guys?
Yeah, sure.
Sure. Okay. Sure.